Alright, welcome everyone to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to register in Magnet Finance and start earning money from this business. I am Blessedman and I'm one of the top leaders of Magnet ecosystem. Now, for you to start making money from Magnet, you need to get a referral link from your sponsor or whoever that is inviting you to Magnet. And then you take this referral link to the web. Either you go to the Chrome browser or you go to your apps and then load Magnet website. Click on Connect Wallet, agree to terms and choose the wallet you want to use. In this case, we want to use MetaMask. So click on MetaMask and then authorize MetaMask, and then your wallet to be connected. So right now you need to confirm your sponsor ID. If your sponsor ID is correct, click on activate. If it is not correct, click on change, and then you will be able to paste the referral link once again. And once you click on referral link and change it, you will click on change. Then after you have changed that, you will be able to confirm again that this ID is very correct. And once that is done, you can see it and confirm it. Then you have to click on activate. All right, so once you click on activate, your account will be activated, and right now the back office will be open for you. So right, guys, congratulations, you have registered through your sponsor, and now you are in the prepayment dashboard right now. It's time to start choosing your slots and start buying your NFTs. But before we go into this, let me tell you that there are two bonuses. There are bonus for magnets, and this bonus, if you purchase slot level 1 to 3, you are going to get slot 1 for free. If you purchase slot level 1 to 6, you are going to get slot 1, 2, 3 for free. All right, and then you have to also know that there are two stages of prepayment in Magnet. The first stage, slot 1 to 6, will be open for you, and the second stage, slot 7 to 12, will be open for you. So you have to try as much as possible to make sure you activate slot 1 to 6 to avoid your partners overtaking you in the system. All right, having said this, it's time for you to buy your slot right now. You click on buy slots. When you click on buy slot, from the left hand corner, you are going to see a slider. A slider is going to pop up for you to choose the slot level. Look at the slider, you can adjust it. Whatever a slot you want to choose, you adjust it. But right now, it is slot 1 to 6, and we advise you once again to make sure you buy slot 6 to avoid overtaking. So now you are going to see the cumulative cost of this buy the slot you are buying. Here we have selected slot 1 to 6, and the cumulative cost is 315 DAI and then 3 pole as a gas fee. But because of the discount, because of the promo, there is a discount of 35 DAI. So 35 DAI will be discounted, and then the total amount you're going to be paying is now 280 DAI plus 3 pole. This will serve for your gas fee. So once you have done that, click on buy, and once you click on buy, you are going to do 2 authorization. One is to authorize DAI on Polygon blockchain, and the next is to authorize the activation of Magnet. So now we have authorized DAI, and then we are going to wait for the authorization of the activation of Magnet, guys. So the NFT slot will be activated for us soon, and very soon you are going to see it at the right hand corner where it is activated, and boom, this is it, guys. You now have slots, NFT slot 1 to 6, and you can see it, slot 6 here. You have purchased. By your right hand corner, you can see these 6 gray colors showing that you have actually been able to activate your slots, guys. Now, when you look at the dashboard, you can see some hidden information there where you can see how many amount you are getting, and how many people that are in your structure. This is actually deactivated because right now we are on prepayment stage, and this is not available now. The moment Magnet becomes live, you're going to see it in your dashboard. But you can click on income calculator if you want to actually check your income potentials in the system. You will be able to click on the income calculator and calculate how much earning you are going to get. For instance, you can check how much you're going to earn from 10 partners, and then when you enter 10 partners here, you're going to see that you're going to be earning about $88,000, guys. This is a huge amount because this is a cumulative earning from all your structures if all your partners are going to upgrade all the slot levels. But even if they do not upgrade, it's still a huge amount of money that you're going to get from here, guys. You can check, click on income to check your potential income from your crypto magnet. But right here we have zero because this account is for demo. So when you see this, you can be able to see the amount you are going to earn, guys. And please remember, before you start the process of activating your slot, make sure you have the required amount of DAI and POL funded in your wallet before you can click on the buy slot button. All right, guys, now that you have known how to register in Magnet, how to activate your slot and all the things in this back office, it is just remaining for Magnet Dev to activate the script that will simulate the automatic activation and the launch of Magnet Business, guys. Now, before we move to the next section, let us click on the income calculator to show you how much potential earning you can earn from different amount of persons under you. We're going to use 10 persons, 50 persons, and then 100 persons. Now you can see how much you can be able to earn from this business if you have 10 persons under your structure. So when you enter 10 in this, you calculate, you can see that you can already earn over $88,000, guys. That's a huge amount of money. Let us see how much we're going to earn from 50 persons. If you enter 50 persons in this income calculator right now, you can see that you can already earn over 400K, guys. That's a huge income, guys. These are the amount you're going to earn. If you enter 100 persons in this, you can see over $800,000, guys. This is the income you're going to get if you build your structure up to your 4th generations, and each of these persons will just have one persons under them. This is how much you are going to earn from this system. Now, when you click on the income, you will be able to see your potential income from Crypto Magnet. Crypto Magnet is one of the products of Magnet ecosystem whereby you can be able to get an airdrop, use it to familiarize yourself with Magnet ecosystem and blockchain and so on and so forth, and you will be able to earn a lot of income when these people join you to do the main magnet. Now, in this case, we have 48 direct downlines, more than $300,000 in potential earning, guys. Now let's move on to the official net launch, where all the structural arrangements and automatic activation script will be ready, where you will now be able to see all the people in your structure. You'll be able to see your earnings in real time and so on and so forth. So right now we're going to look at the main back office of Magnet at the launch, where we can see all our structures, all the earnings, number of stores we have activated, all the partners in your structures and your earning. When you click at the left and click on buy magnet, you'll be able to see the number of the slots. You'll be able to see the products that you have access to. When you purchase these slots, you'll be able to see your structures, you'll be able to see your earnings and so on and so forth. In this section, click my magnet and you will be able to see that we have 22 persons who registered under us in this pre-registration, and we will be able to now see our earnings and our structure starting from the first program and then the second program. So if you want to see your structure, just click on the first program. The first program, remember, is a trinary matrix, and this is your matrix. You can see the the first, second, and the third person in your matrix. Remember that this particular matrix is a reactivating matrix. You're just going to see 3 persons, and then this account must have reactivated over 7 times in the system. So you are going to see the active persons who are joining your matrix in this first program. And you will see only 3 persons in your matrix. Now let's click on the second program to see our structure in the second program. When you click on program number 2, you are going to see all the people who are in your structure. So when you look at it, you can see that we have 22 persons in a single marketing tree without reactivation or having a separate tree. Now let's count the number of persons to confirm here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Yeah, you can see that the amount of persons is correct, and this is our final tree in the second marketing program. Now let us see how much we are going to earn from all of these people registering under us. And now let's check it. We're going to switch over to Blockchain Explorer to see the earnings that we're going to be getting from these people who are joining our matrix. Right now we are on Blockchain Explorer, and then this is the wallet address that we connected to this particular account, and you can see the earnings in DAI. You are going to see this earning real in DAI, and you can see from this account we have made 1,517 DAI. And remember that this is just an amount that you earn from the pre-registration, and in this pre-registration there is a discount period whereby you will not be able to earn from level 1 to 3, because this particular account did level 1 to 6, slot level 1 to 6, and invited 22 persons who also have activated the account, and these 22 persons have been given slot 1, 2, 3 for free. So the earning here is capturing the earning is going to get from the 2 marketing programs in slot level 4, slot level 5, and slot level 6. By the time that Magnet fully launch and after the pre-registration state, you will now be able to earn the full amount in this particular account. And now we have seen the full process from the pre-registration to the prepayment balance top-up to us being able to see our back office and how to activate and everything, our structures, and be able to see the earning we are going to make in the ecosystem. And now this is just the beginning. This is just the first phase of Magnet back office. A lot of other features are going to be added, other functionalities, other products, and so on and so forth are going to be added into this back office too. Don't forget the Magnet prepayment period will be split into 2 parts. The payment from slot level 1 to 6, and then slot level 7 to 12. And then this will even make you to earn more money, guys. So thank you for listening to us. We will await you, man.